Hey, my name is Halldór, and this is my car, Benni, a 1972 MGB GT. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about it and what my plans are. I bought this car about almost 2.5 years ago when we lived in England. I've done a little bit of work, not too much. Changed the seats, the brakes, some small bits here and there. And I hadn't driven it much before we came to Italy. Once to the petrol station where I couldn't start it again because I didn't know how to use the choke. And then just a couple of small trips inside our neighborhoods just to show off a little bit. And then I and my girlfriend took a huge leap of faith in the car when we moved to Italy and drove it all the way from England to Italy. And it passed the test. There were a couple of small hiccups on the way. The air filters fell off. The blinkers didn't work for a short period, some period of time. But we made it here in the end, and I'm so glad for that. I managed to bring it with me. And the plan has always been to try to import the car into Italy, so we can use it here for daily shopping or whatnot. And I'm sort of halfway through the process of that, I think. I don't know, to be honest. I've got the customs certificate that the car is in the country, and I think the next step would get it tested, inspected, make sure it's good for the road. But I'm sort of at a crossroads, not sure if I should go with that step now or if I should do it later. Because the car works fine, drives fine, but it's getting quite rusty, and there are quite a few bits here and there that needs fixing. So I'm considering if I should just do a proper restoration and then try to bring it into the country, fully functioning and everything looking good, instead of doing it sort of now, maybe getting through, but then kind of needing to restore the whole car anyway. So yeah, why not? So let me walk you through the car and show you what the status of it is, and yeah, let me know what you think. Let's start with the engine. Obviously originally 1.8, I believe, but this one has been bored out to 2 liters. Also has some fancy K&N filters. Other than that, I think pretty originals. There is some fiasco happening here, I think. What is this wire coming into the... what's happening here? I don't know. Not sure how well you can see this, but it has been painted. This is the original color, which I think is called teal blue, and this, I don't know, this is apparently some Volkswagen color, but yeah, I prefer this one. I think this is a classic rust area for the MGB, and as you can see, I've sort of started working on it, and then there were a couple of more places that I started working on. Yeah, it's not looking good. No. I'm not sure how well you can see this, but there are these dots on the bonnet, so I think, not sure it's worth repairing. Might just need a new one. The passenger door, this has been repaired, or this bit here, this seals by a previous owner, but it is a bit crooked. I'm not sure how you can see it. It touches there, so this would need fixing. Here we can also see the repair. I tried, it was all black when I received it. I tried painting it to a close enough color, but there is quite a bit of difference, as you can see. Also here at the back, there were some damages that I tried to repair. It's not perfect, but and all the way, this was pretty bad. The bumper was bad. Tried fixing that. as well as here. Yeah, it's not a good job, if I'm being honest, but it's a nice exercise. And you can sort of see all around. It's not pretty. There are all things, yeah. Of course, on the other side as well, this one. And then there is the big rust area. Oof, I'm not sure if I should show you this, but can you see it? This is pretty bad. I think here you can see through into the engine compartment. I don't think that's ideal. Here, the back, everything is a bit loose. Here are my spares, everything there. Oh man. And inside, we got the sunroof. Yeah, it's starting to open up, getting quite rusty. I think this, like it's all been painted. Here, I put this in, but I'm not sure if this has been cut out because there was a big Bluetooth speaker here that I replaced. Like, it's all like funky. There, it's missing the panel. So, all in all, it has seen better days, and it's always been my dream to like restore a car, build a car on my own. So why not? Why not now? I have the car. It's a simple car. I should be able to do it. I might not do all the welding and all that stuff. Might outsource that because I don't have a good situation for that, but that's fine. And also, like, I'm a tech guy, I'm a software engineer, so maybe I can add some small little things that you don't notice, like a GPS, maybe some simple sensors, like to monitor the battery or something like that. And also, like, I got backup camera. Like, there's this, I don't know. Could a backup camera be fitted here? See these little guys here on the bumper? Like, what if I'd like remove these and put a backup camera? Would it work? I don't know, but could find out. So yeah, these are my thoughts. This is what the status is, my ideas. What do you think? Am I out of my mind?